This bike ride is for me. Good morning, friends. My first bike ride in 51 days. I marked off every day like a person getting released from prison, counting down the days. A lot of people don't know, but on May 18th, I had surgery. I tore my rotator cuff in my left shoulder. And when the doctor went in, he saw a second tear and replaced both at the same time. Surgery and recovery were challenging, but physical therapy, that was hard, real challenging. Still not 100%, but every week I get more movement in my left shoulder. So here I am doing a easy bike ride around Mint Hill. Nice flat ride. Only hoping to do 10 to 12 miles since it's my first ride. But things are going well. More to follow. Welcome to Mint Hill, North Carolina. Population 26,000. I want to introduce you to a few restaurants in Mint Hill. Got a lot of nice little restaurants. I visit most of them, not all. Brand new Chick-fil-A, only about a year old. Who hasn't been to Chick-fil-A yet, huh? We're coming up to a Chaw 7. Chaw 7 serves great burgers, beers, wings. Has a fireplace in the patio for the ambiance. And over here we have Pour 64. Has 64 beers on tap, wonderful food trucks, and Mint Hill Town Hall with a brand new water fountain. Isn't that pretty cool? Here we got Hawthorne Pizza, New York style pizza, great place to visit. We're coming up to my favorite coffee house, Mint Hill Coffee House and Social House. They changed the name recently to Mint Hill Coffee and Social House. They serve great coffee, now they serve beer. Only got a few more miles. What a great first ride. Nice easy pace, around 14 miles around Mint Hill. I'm feeling good, but I still want to be cautious. You know, it's my first ride after 51 days. Don't want to aggravate the shoulder any, so I'm just gonna, rest the rest of the day, maybe get another easy ride tomorrow, and go from there. You all have a great weekend. Pedal on, Billy Bikes. Hit like and subscribe. Help Billy Bikes grow this channel. Pedal on, Billy Bikes.